So you might be trying to go ahead and trying to get the AutoMix thing to work inside of your iPhone, but for some reason it is not working. Now, number one, you have to be on iOS 26 in order to use this. So remember that you have to be on iOS 26. If you are not on iOS 26, then it might not work out for you. So just kind of keep that in mind. Now, once you're there, what you're going to want to do is you want to click on the settings application of your iPhone. So come right into settings and you'll come into this page. Now what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and basically scroll down until you find the apps portion of your particular app right there. Scroll down again, find the music option. So you can just kind of keep scrolling down. You'll be able to find music, which is right over here. Tap on it. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll to song transitions. Now, if for some reason when you click on AutoMix, if it's not enabled like this, that might mean you don't have like an Apple Music subscription. This only works right now inside of Apple Music as far as I can tell. So go inside of, make sure you have an Apple Music subscription of some sort, and then this will basically be not grayed out. Now, another thing you might want to try doing here too is to just go through and just make sure that within your particular, AutoMix capability, it's going to be very buggy. So if you want to, you can go through and just make sure this is enabled and just kind of keep it on AutoMix and see if it ends up getting fixed over time. Because sometimes it might just take a little bit of time and it's just a little glitchy. You can also try restarting your phone or updating your iPhone if there is a beta update available. So go back over here, go inside of your general settings right up here, click on software update, and try seeing if there's an update available. And if there is, you can just try updating your iPhone. So that's basically the main way to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.